All right, everybody, welcome back. We are on level 7, which is the assessment level. So the way that this works is I will read the instructions. I will read the rubric on how you get the points. I might even give you a tip or trick if I know of one. And then I'm going to let you go and do this on your own. So let's get into it. It says rainbow horse. In this program, the horse should turn into a unicorn when it touches the rainbow. So do this. Change the horse into a unicorn when the rainbow touches it. So if we run this right now, okay, nothing's happening. So if we look at the comments, which always gives us really good hints, it says, okay, create the sprite, so all that's taken care of. Draw the background, that's done, and then change the horse into a unicorn when the rainbow touches it. So really, you won't need to mess with anything in the code except for between lines 14 and 17 in here. That's it. All right. And honestly, what they're asking you to do is not nearly as difficult as that last practice we just did with the mouse and the cat. So rubric, let's start with the bottom one because, of course, you guys are going to do much better than this. It says no evidence. The program does not detect when the rainbow touches the horse, or there is no conditional in the program. So if you don't change anything and it just looks like this, oh, let me try that again. If it looks like that, then no bueno, and get no points. Next one, limited evidence. The program uses a conditional and detects when the rainbow touches the horse, but there are enough errors that it does not react in any way. So again, it's just going to go straight across. But you did put a conditional, so that tells us right there that we do need a conditional, and that you're going to find in here. Um, Convincing evidence. So now we're getting into like the B territory. The program reacts in some way when the rainbow touches the horse. So when you reset and run, something's going to happen when that collide. And then the best part, the A's, the 100, is right here. So extensive evidence. The horse turns into a unicorn when the rainbow touches it. There are no extra blocks in the program. So you don't add anything extra, nothing you don't need. And, when reset and run, and it will look like that. All right. So that's the goal. And like I said, you really only want to mess with between lines 14 and 17, between there. You've got the rubric, and I'm going to wish you good luck. This is honestly very easy assessment. You're going to be fine. All right. So with that, I will finish and see you on the other side.